Hello everyone, this is Wahid from TradEcho. In this video, I will show you how you can create a sign-up form, registration form in your WordPress website. To do this, we just need to go to the settings and go to the general. Here you need to check this, anyone can register, and scroll down and save the changes. Now you need to click on the plugins and click this add new. Here search for a new plugin, user registration. This is our plugin, install it. After installing, activate it. Scroll down and click this skip to dashboard. You can see it gives us a default form. We can edit it if you want. And here is our 4 fields for the sign up form. We can add more fields if we want. After that, we need to copy this shortcode. After copying, we can paste this shortcode anywhere where we want to show the sign up form. So I'm going to the pages and I want to show this form in this page. I go to the edit and click on this plus icon and search for shortcode. Here is the shortcode. Here I can paste it, update it. After updating, click this view page. You can see here is our sign up form. When any user enter their details and click on submit, it will be registered in our WordPress website. Now I will show you how you can add this form in any page which is designed with Elementor. So this is our home page which is designed with Elementor, and I want to show this form on this page. Now I need to click on this edit with Elementor. I want to show my form here. Click plus icon and search for shortcode. Drag it and drop it here. Now I can paste this shortcode here. You can see the registration form is here. After that, click on this update button and then click this and go to the view page. You can see here is my registration form, sign up form. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.